What's up everybody, Ninja Boss XYZ at you today with another out of the bin tutorial, and I'm hoping you guys are all having a wonderful day today. So basically I'm going to be teaching you how to make the Lego Infinity Cube, and of course this is out of the bin, so it is Lego, and as you can see I've got all the pieces set out for you. So a couple of you asked me to go a little bit in depth on what kind of pieces you'll need. So this is just a 2x2 flat tile. You can just go do a 1x2, but I like this grill face you see right here. Kind of looks like a grill, but it needs to be flat. And then 8 of these, not really sure what to call them. I'll just call them angle plates for now. And usually it will kind of look like this, but with the studs on the top. And then 8 of these rotating ones, hinge plates is what I think the technical term is, and a ton of studs, as you can see right over here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it, and I guess I'll go ahead and start by putting 2 of these grill plates on a hinge, and the same one with the other side. And then I'll go ahead and do, and I'm just going with inverted colors here. So with all these studs, you don't have to use necessarily these pieces. I did not have enough of my own, so I just used studs, and with studs I was able to make it look a little bit cooler. So I'm getting one of these hinge plates and another grill piece, and then one of these flat tiles. And then I'm gonna go ahead, get some studs over here, and yeah, I think, wait, need more studs. Suddenly got really bright outside, holy moly. And let me see, yep, I'm gonna go ahead and get another one of these hinge plates, and we'll put it right here at the top, so it'll kind of look like that. And then this should be part of the front of the Infinity Cube. And then I'm going to go ahead and set that to the side, and I'm going to make the other side of basically what I just did. So we go ahead and grab one of these, and then some more studs. And yeah, basically it's going to be the opposite side. And remember, you can use whatever you want. I basically just use whatever I grabbed out of the bin, hence the name, out of the bin. And we're going to get another one of these 2x2 flat tiles, some more studs. And then we'll connect them together by doing this. And oops, it's kind of falling apart there. And there we go. Go ahead and set that to the side. And now I'll grab one of these that I've already built, and then grab 2 of these, and these could even be studs right here. Just keep that in mind. I'll go ahead and do this. And grab some more angle plates. And I believe I just lost the stud. I have no idea where it went. And you should build one of these, and then we're going to go ahead and do another one. So it's going to kind of go like this. So we'll go ahead and do, oh, what is that? I'm not really sure. We go ahead and do blue. Oh, oops. Yeah, I'm just kind of trying to make the colors a little nice here. And yeah, so we're gonna go with red over here as well. And then 2 more of these angle plates. And then it should end up looking kind of like this. So next thing I believe is to connect this part that we just built beforehand, just like that. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here on this side, and I'll go ahead with blue this time, if you can kind of see what I'm doing here. So I'm just going to go off like this, and then we'll go ahead and connect it with another hinge piece, and then we'll get some more studs over here and go ahead and secure that with a flat 2x2. And let's get another grill over here. And then just looking at what's going to be inverted over here, I'm going to go ahead and do gray over here. And yeah, I guess that's that. And we're going to go ahead and start with the other side. So I'm going to go with 2 studs over here. And then I'll go ahead and grab that ankle plate. And we're going to use red this time. Blue and red are 2 of my favorite colors. They look pretty cool together too. I'm going to go ahead and get these right here. So this should belong right there. And then I'm going to go ahead and get another hinge piece. Whoops. And it will be kind of difficult, as it will kind of fall apart just at the moment. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with this last hinge piece, which should bind it all together. And then the last 2x2 flat tiles. And there you go. So basically what it should be like is it will be pretty much infinite. So we're going to go ahead and start right here. And then we're going to open it up. And you can kind of see what I'm doing here, and then it should end up back where it is. And of course, the infinity cube is quite an awesome fidget puzzle, and I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more awesome stuff, and let me know what kind of more builds you would like to see, as well as any more videos involving Nerf or Fortnite, or basically anything for that matter. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.